Hi, my name is DJ Lovell with MarineMax and Gulf Shores. This is the new SPX 230 2019 models. Drove by a Mercury 4-stroke 150. Color is blue. This comes with a tandem axle trailer. Bimini top. Really nice lines on the side. It also has a new flip tongue so you can store it in your barn or garage conveniently. This is DJ again on the 230 SPX. Welcome aboard. Showing you the deck space. This has two big compartments in the front and in the center of this boat. First, you have a nice big head on this 23 footer. Look at the space in there for a 23-foot boat. You have plenty of room. Bow section has plenty of seating, plenty of room for guests. This boat can handle up to 13 people or 2,300 pounds. Two captain's chairs up front. They spin. Bimini top, like I said before. It's equipped with a Simrad and a Fusion radio. Poster seats, subwoofers. Look at the room in the back here for your family to drive on a nice day. Battery disconnect is on the side, on the port gunnel there, instead of in the battery box in the bottom. Look at the storage on this boat. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call. My name is DJ, work at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you so much.